do you know the best part about any exam? It is that it lasts only for 2 to 3 hours. But rarely does an exam end your mind immediately. It keeps playing on your mind and you start discussing with friends. Like, was this answer right? Did you answer this question or that? What method did you use to solve that sum? It's not advisable to spend hours discussing the exam paper with friends and family. It's a huge waste of time and energy. Often the discussion can take a negative turn that can harm your self-confidence and ability to prepare well for the next exam. But after class tests and preparatory exams and during other assignments, it may be helpful to spend time analyzing your answer sheets to sharpen your strengths as well as overcome your weaknesses. However, mid-exam worry during your board or final exams harm your mind and weakens your preparation for the next paper. It is more prudent to prepare for the next paper than to worry about the one you just wrote. There is no point in thinking about the answers in an already submitted answer sheet. It has begun its one-way journey. If you have answered well, you don't need to worry. In case you haven't, even then, don't worry about it because there is nothing you can do to alter it now. Always remember, your ability, knowledge and preparation are enough to motivate you toward success. Have faith. Remember what Swami Vivekananda taught. If you have faith in all the gods and still have no faith in yourself, there is no salvation for you. Trust yourself during exam time. The possibility of rumors and misinformation reaching you can be high. Don't fall prey to them. Almost never true and will not affect you if you are well prepared. So guys, this is the end of this exam motivational video. What you learned from this video and on which topic do you want the next video, please tell us by commenting, and quiz related to this video given in the description. Thanks for watching, keep learning, take care, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.